Welcome! In today's guide, we're going to walk through a quick and effective way to stop Google Chrome from installing unknown apps on your phone. This is an important step for keeping your device safe and making sure no unwanted apps sneak their way into your system. Whether you're looking to tighten your phone's security or just want more control over what gets installed, this method is simple and only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, open your phone settings. This is where you can manage all your apps and security preferences. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. From here, search through the list until you find Chrome. Tap on Chrome to open its specific settings menu. Inside Chrome's settings, look for an option called Install Unknown Apps. This section controls whether or not Chrome is allowed to download and install apps from outside the official App Store. By default, this can sometimes be enabled, which could make your device vulnerable to downloading unverified apps. Once you tap on Install Unknown Apps, you'll see a toggle next to the setting called Allow from this source. If this is currently turned on, it means Chrome has permission to install apps from third-party sources. Simply switch that toggle off, and Chrome will no longer be able to install anything outside the official store. That's it. You've successfully disabled the ability for Chrome to install unknown apps on your device. From now on, anything you choose to install will have to come through trusted sources, which makes your phone far less likely to get hit with malware or unwanted apps. Taking these small security steps not only improves your overall phone safety, but also gives you peace of mind. If you ever want to double-check, just return to these settings and make sure the toggle is switched off. Thanks for watching.